Welcome back. Today we are looking at the JVC GR-D72U digital camcorder, a true gem from the past. The JVC GR-D72U is a handheld digital camcorder that was released in the 2002. It came in silver and black with a blue stripe on each side. It was a small camera, making it excellent for recording experiences while traveling. This camera was designed for those who are searching for fun, slimline, and convenience. More of the distinct features that made this camcorder unique were the inbuilt twin LED flashlight, also called the Auto Illumi light. It also had a 2.5-inch clear LCD monitor, 3D noise reduction to eliminate up to 30% of noise in low light situations. You could equate this to the current HDR. Capability of taking still images. It had a memory card slot, very good for its time. It had built-in power AC adapter as well as a battery charger. Speaking of that, it came with an 800 milliamp battery. It also had a tripod mounting space, and the unique one was it had 16 optical zoom as well as 700 digital zoom. It also had self-recording, well, to the selfie people. It had an inbuilt speaker, meaning you could actually play back and hear whatever you are recording. It had the ability to connect directly to the TV or a VCR through its S-video port. It also had the AV port for that connectivity. It had a color viewfinder with a hidden viewfinder adjustment control, which was called the diopter adjustment control. The JVC GR-D72U has become outdated by new technology since its release in 2002. However, it had exceptional features that shaped today's camcorders.